and welcome to Maths by SAZ. This is my 8th lesson of D4 chapter number 1 exercise 1A. In this lesson I'll be discussing the greatest and least values of function. Before going to the question, there are some key points that we have to discuss. The first point is that in order to find the greatest or least value of the function, we have to plot and shade given inequality conditions by turning them in equations. After that, identify boundaries of the region and locate the region satisfied by all inequality conditions. Mark the corner points or the vertices of the region. Put corner points or vertices in the function which is to be maximized or minimized, and integrate your learning with your previous concepts. If you find any difficulty in plotting or shading the region, you have to watch my previous lessons, for which I'll give the link in the description box. Move to question number 5. Read the question carefully. Question says, on the same diagram, draw the graph of x greater than equals to 2, y greater than equals to 2, y less than equals to 5, and x plus y is less than equal to 12. Find the greatest or the least value of p equals to x plus 3y. Question says that we have to draw these all inequalities on the same graph paper. We have learned a lot about the drawing and shading of the lines and inequalities. I will not be going in detail. I've drawn the graph for you and I've made the key for you people as well. Let's move to the solution. You can see that first inequality condition is x greater than equals to 2. First of all, draw the line at x equals to 2. And as we need the region greater than 2, means we need the positive and the values of x which are more than 2. So I do not have to shade this side. I will be shading left of x equals to 2. So for this part, I have to shade towards this side. Moving to the second inequality condition, that y is greater than equal to 2. First of all, draw the line at y equals to 2. Now see, we need the values of y which are more than 2, and values of y are increasing upward. It means that this is my required region for this inequality condition. So what I will be doing, I will be shading below this line. So I've shaded below the line. Coming to the third inequality condition, that is y less than equals to 5. First of all, draw the line at y equals to 5. Now look, I need values of y which are lesser than 5. We can see that values of y are less than 4, 3, 2, 1, lesser than 5 on the bottom side of this line. It means that I need this region, so I will not be shading below this line. So for this line, I've shaded above the line. Coming to the third line, which is in the slope intercept form, x plus y equals to 12. Draw the line x plus y equals to 12. Now see, I need the region which is lesser than this line, so I'll be shading above the line. Now, if we look at the whole diagram, this is the region which is not shaded by or which is satisfied by all 4 inequality conditions. So this is my required region. And coming to the point that mark the vertices or corner points, these are the vertices 2, 2, 2, 5, 10 with 2 and 7 with 5. I hope now you are clear about what are the vertices or corner points. Now, in order to find the greatest or least value of the function p equals to x plus 3y, we have to put these corner points one by one in this function. Suppose I'm taking the first corner point, that is 2 with 2. 2 with 2. So what I will be doing, I'll replace x by 2 plus 3 into 2, and this will give me 2 plus 6, and which is 8. Is that okay? The second corner point is, we can take this point, p 2 with 5 means x value is 2 and y value is 5. This is 2 plus 15, which is equal to 17. And the third corner point, that is 10 with 2. X value is 10 plus 3 into 2. This will give me 10 plus 6, which is 16. And the fourth corner point is 7 with 5. 7 with 5 means X value is 7 and plus 3 and Y value is 5. 7 plus 15. 15 plus 5 is 20 and this is 22. Now the question says least and the greatest value. So the answers are 8, 17, 16 and 22. From all these values we can see that 8 is the smallest value and 22 is the largest or greatest value. So we can conclude that the least value of function, least value of p equals to x plus 3y is, what is that? 8. And greatest is 22. I hope you have understood today's lesson. For the understanding of next lesson, please catch me in the next class. Like, share and subscribe the channel and press the bell icon to get the notification of every lesson in time, and write your comments in comment section. Thank you very much.